In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an MS Word logo in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is access Microsoft Word on your computer. To start, locate the Windows Start menu. It's usually at the bottom left corner of your screen. A simple click on the Start button will bring up a search bar where you can type in Word. As you start typing, Microsoft Word should appear among the top search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the program. Once you've got Microsoft Word open in front of you, you'll be greeted with the Word home screen. Here you can choose from various templates and recent documents. But for our purposes today, we're going to start with a clean slate. So go ahead and open a blank document. This blank document is where you'll be creating your very own MS Word logo. Next, you'll want to add some shapes to your document, which will form the basis of our logo design. To do this, click on the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. Under this tab, you'll find various options, but for now we're interested in the Shapes button. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu filled with different shapes that you can add to your document. Feel free to experiment with various shapes until you find something that resembles the MS Word logo or any unique design of your choice. Now that you have your shapes on the document, it's time to add some color. To do this, click on your shape to select it, then look for the Shape Fill button in the toolbar. This button lets you change the color of your selected shape. Click on Shape Fill and choose a color that you like or one that resembles the MS Word logo colors. This step will immediately make your logo come to life with some familiar hues. After adding and coloring your shapes, you might want to adjust their arrangement or combine them to create a cohesive logo. To do this, you'll need to select the shapes you want to group together. Click on one shape, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on the other shapes you wish to group. With all your desired shapes selected, click on one of them and look for the Group option in the context menu. Clicking Group will tether your shapes together, allowing you to move and resize them as a single unit, which is incredibly handy for refining your logo's appearance. And just like that, you've created your very own MS Word logo in Microsoft Word. The process is straightforward, but it allows for a great deal of creativity. You can experiment with different shapes, colors, and arrangements until you're happy with the result. This quick and simple logo creation can be useful for a variety of projects, from school assignments to personal branding initiatives. Remember, the key to a great logo is simplicity and recognizability. Keep tinkering with the design until it feels just right. And don't forget, if at first you don't succeed, just undo. Microsoft Word allows you to undo your last action by pressing Ctrl+Z, so you can always go back a step and try a different approach. Designing in Microsoft Word offers a unique set of tools and possibilities. Even though it's primarily a word processing software, its graphical capabilities, including the use of shapes and colors, can turn it into a handy tool for creating simple logos and designs. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a logo in Microsoft Word. Feel free to play around with the software and explore your creativity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to save your document once you're pleased with your design. Happy designing!